Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning traders, how are you? It is Friday the 25th of February. What a crazy week it has been, but we've made it. Yeah, we had the Ukraine-Russian tensions and that's made the markets pretty volatile, okay? So yeah, been a bit of a crazy week. First of all, as always, let's look back at yesterday's trades to see what we did and didn't do. We had 4 potential trades from yesterday, and the first one was this. You're looking at the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So as you can see, we were trading off of this bearish red candle, okay, and we were trying to take price back down to this blue line. And that's what happened, but this happened pretty much before the day started. But let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, by the time we had woken up, it was around here. It had already hit the blue line. Okay, so I was a little reluctant to get into the trade, and to be honest with you, after that we had no red candles. These red candles, these are not good candles to get in on the trade. This candle, no. These candles, no. Okay, so it never got to a point where sellers were in control while I was awake. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, maybe this one here. But yeah, on the whole, guys, we didn't have an opportunity to get into this trade, and it had already hit the first target pretty early on in the day. So no trade here for me. Let's look at the next trade. So we had the pound against the Swiss franc. So obviously correlated with the Canadian and Swiss franc. And we had this candle, this very bearish red candle. Okay, it totally engulfed this candle here, the previous day's candle. So this told me we could take price back down to this blue line. And that, guys, is exactly what happened. This was actually a great trade. So let's look at how we executed it from yesterday. So yeah, as you can see, guys, price come down. Time I was looking at the market was around about this time here. Okay, and then we had this. We had this bearish candle, okay, bouncing off our grey zone here. Okay, so we had a bearish candle bouncing off our grey zone, yeah, totally engulfing these last 2 candles. So this is a candlestick pattern. And because we had no low to choose from, we just wanted to take it back down to our daily target here. And that's exactly what happened, guys. It was a great trade. So I entered on this. I got a small retrace. So I entered about here, okay, about this price here, put my stop above here, okay, and then I took price down to this blue line, okay. So that was an excellent trade. Yeah, I think it gave me roughly 2:1. Yeah, 2:1. So yeah, great trade, guys. I hope you took this very profitable trade. Okay, the next trade we looked at was this. This was the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, we were trading off this candle, if you remember. Yeah, the structure of this market had changed. Yeah, we've got highs, lows, and then we've got lower lows. All right, so we're looking at a downtrend, and I wanted to take price back down to this blue line. Okay, as you can see, that didn't quite happen, but let's look at H1 to see exactly what happened. So guys, yeah, this was not a good trade, unfortunately. I got stopped out. So price did retrace up into our grey zone. We had all these candles here, but for me, yeah, sellers were never in control. This was just choppy, 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 choppy. okay, and then price came back up to here. We did have this candle here, okay, but this is an inside candle. If you look at the candle before, yeah, this is an inside candle. This doesn't tell me sellers are in control, okay, and then eventually we had this candle. Yeah, this tells me sellers are in control, okay. So I entered on the close of this candle here with a view to taking price back down to these lows. As always, this is our first target, but as you can see, the market had other ideas, and this very bullish green candle, my stop was about here, okay, and this very bullish green candle just took me out, and then before it totally retraced, okay. So a little bit frustrating, guys, but as you know, as most traders know, this can happen, okay. So this was a trade where I got stopped out, okay. It'd be interesting to see what it does at this level today. All right, so yeah, Aussie dollar, New Zealand. The last one was this. This was the pound against the Aussie dollar. So if you remember, guys, yeah, structure of this market had changed. This diagonal level had been broken. We've got lower lows, lower highs. Okay, so the structure was downwards, and we had this bearish candle that we were trading from. Okay. All right, so we wanted to take price back down to the low of that candle, and that's exactly what happened. So let's take a look at H1 to see if we had a trade. So as you can see, guys, yeah, here price didn't quite hit our grey zone. Okay, so I didn't have a trade. If you're a more aggressive trader, you could have traded off of this candle. Yeah, so price did come up. Yeah, and then sellers took control on this candle here, and then sure enough, it came all the way back down to these lows, and it hit our blue line as well. All right, but I didn't have a trade, guys, because it didn't quite reach our grey zone. However, the direction was good. Yeah, it would have been a good trade. All right, guys, so there's a recap. It was still a profitable day for me because the pound Swiss franc trade was so good. All right, so yeah, still a profitable day. However, we did have a bad trade on the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Okay, all right, guys, so let's have a look at the trades for today now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, then please just smash that like button. It really helps support the channel, and subscribe. So for today, Friday the 25th of February, we've only got one trade idea, guys. As you are more than aware, yesterday was just a crazy volatile day, and it's made a lot of markets difficult to read and difficult to get into. All right, so having looked at all 28 currency pairs, I did find one, and it's this. This is the euro against the pound. All right, so as you can see, price has, yeah, these lows here, this area of resistance. Price has shot up with this very bullish candle. Okay, so it come down to the lows and then shot up from that area. Okay, so I still think we have a bit of room, and we can take it up to this blue line here for this last high here. Okay, so yeah, we're looking to long this market up to the blue line around 8386. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we've got a couple of grey zones, guys. So first of all, price could retrace into this grey zone, and then we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern. If you don't know what candlestick patterns are, guys, then please check out some of my tutorials. It will really help you. All right, but we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern to form in this grey zone, and then we can take price back up to these highs here. Okay, that's always our first target, and then we can leave some money on the trade to take up to our blue daily target. Yeah, there's not much difference, but yeah, still a good, yeah, 15 pips. If that doesn't happen, guys, then price could retrace all the way back down to this grey zone. All right, so again, we'll just be looking for a bullish candlestick pattern. We'll take price first of all up to these highs here, and then we'll close 80% of the trade and leave 20% to run up to this blue line here. All right, guys, so yeah, this is the only trade for today, euro against the pound, and we're looking to long, we're looking to buy this market. Okay, so yeah, let's go and let's take a look at the news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this market analysis and would like to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please smash the subscribe button and the notification button. Then that way you'll receive it every single morning. All right, guys, so go ahead and do that and support the channel. Okay, so the news for Friday, February 25th. So nothing overnight, guys. Our first piece of important data coming out is this at 7 o'clock, coming out of the euro. We have a 3-star rating, and it is the German gross domestic product. Okay, so this can move any euro pair. If we carry on scrolling down, the next piece of important news is this. At 11:15, the head of the European Central Bank, Lagarde, she is speaking. So when she speaks, the markets listen, and she can move any euro pair. So again, must be aware of that. At 1:30 GMT, we have some data coming out of the US, another 3-star rating, and it's core durable goods. Okay, so that again can affect any US dollar pair. If we carry on scrolling down, there's more, guys, more news. At 3 o'clock GMT, more data coming out of the US. We have pending home sales. And also coming out of the US, we have the Fed monetary policy report. Anything released from the Fed can really move the markets, okay? So it says tentatives, but that should come out anywhere between 3 and 4 o'clock. All right, guys, so yeah, be aware of that as well. And as you can see, guys, for the rest of the day, no other significant news of interest. Guys, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps support the channel. I hope you have a fantastic trading day and an amazing weekend, and I'll catch up with you on Monday. Adios.